Edika, Inabeka, Miaro, Miara, Endo, Miaro, Miara, Ejumeidia, Inabeye, Miaro, Miara, Endo, Miaro, Miara, Obredibo, Inabebo, Miaro, Miara, Endo, Miaro, Miara, Asemi, Besini, Miara, Asemi, Miara, General assassin, e a
So, somewhere February 3, 2022, not 22, 2020, 2 years ago, February 3, 2020, Krata be free. The Ministry of Environment, Science, Technology and Innovation. Krata ne fi ministry no hono what the command a year Ghana Police Service, the Director General, CID Headquarters, Accra. That is the Criminal Investigative Department of the Ghana Police Service. And Krata we every Ministry of Environment, Science, Technology and Innovation. Ekow. As of the year 2022, the time I hear Tron Krata we know. The now minister or Ministry of Environment, Science, Technology and Innovation, Professor Kwabena from Watson. I don't know a minister for a year that ministry. He was at the same time the chairman of the Interministerial Task Force. Na ye di wom si wo se wom wese wom betu galamsey ase. Eti ya be kaya Ghana for be kaya. Emre bi ba ya da ye gidi na ye GG excavators. Ye GG excavators ye galamsey for excavators ne ade. Etu ye galamsey operator nko ade a we excavator no. Ye banko a ye be den ye be fa. It got to a time where na ye excavators si edu site nko awanya ye be hye no anya say be ma soldier for atam na ye see a low bed so na ye akọ. So let's have the letter. Say Krata we no just for reference sake. Say the be ya be kai na be hunu say yes indeed what I'm talking about is true. And yet that clear, but Kwabena from Watson signature ni the Minister for Science, the then Minister for Science, Technology and Innovation, Environment. Kwabena from Watson Prof. The signature ni ono Tron Krata ye kan wansemi. It came from the Ministry of Environment, Science, Technology and Innovation. And what the Krata when command CID director. Krata no you say Mr. Ekow Ekusi Odi obohu anim no was so the content is not that clear, but request for investigations. And on the command police force say one more investigate Owura Ekow Ekusi because Owura Ekow Ekusi a member of the then Interministerial Committee on illegal mining. Interministerial Committee on Illegal Mining. Ekow Ekusi was a member of that committee, and what Tron Krata we call say police for nye ehwehwemu emfa Owura Ekow Ekusi aho because ashen ebi cars bi akwa akodi no ho ena excavators bi akwa akodi no ho no mo eti police for nye ehwehwemu no mommoa ehu ba bi a excavator no ewo omu koso akan in the content of the letter no kan ya ese one more make sure almost three police for any remnant information be on more efa say excavators I say Owura Ekow Ekusi aton no one more so entry. So according to the letter written by the minister, Mr. Ekusi was contracted to cut excavators and pieces of equipment seized by Operation Vanguard to designated areas for safekeeping. This is the content of the letter. Was say Mr. Ekow Ekusi. This is the content. Mr. Ekow Ekusi was contracted to cut excavators and pieces of equipment seized by Operation Vanguard to designated areas for safekeeping. The minister's letter said the ministry had received information that he sent an unknown number of equipment to the unauthorized location, including one in Tema. Jowulu, Tema, a whole more Owura Ekow Ekusi, the excavators no Ekow. This is a young minister allegation making ya or the kokoma a post for him and fair man because he was the chairman of the Interministerial Committee against illegal mining. And Onua Minister for Environment, Science, Technology and Innovation. Why am I ranting this morning? Now, I'm sure the entire ranting on pay. Mama the work out on pay. The new crusading guide, right? So the new crusading guide. enie eno de aba no NPP lifts indefinite suspension on Ekow Ekusi. This is Ekow Ekusi, first vice chairman of the New Patriotic Party in Central Region, Owura Ekow Ekusi. And that is the Democrats and they can say NPP among the Konum penny for one now won't tea about bay, one now one wako school baby, one now won't tea about beyond one in Diano. Almost say Owura Ekow Ekusi 2022, February 3, February 1 month. Eba said excavator be operation Vanguard operation Vanguard for Akosizi excavators here contracting say one no onfa excavator na aban agege no ensi baabi ema aban because aban ni asase okrom ha round the better aban ni asase okrom ha aban ni land oni baabi o de excavators na one no aban na sizia fi galamsey for no Owura Ekow Ekusi e na wasase okrom anju no onfa o keep ma into Owura Ekow Ekusi, the then Central Regional First Vice Chairman, Emma NPP Amanyoko no am suspending no. One na excavator no de ko esi baabi ma eti jowulu and atema hon no keep. And according to Frimpong Boateng, Dr. Frimpong Boateng, the then Minister for Environment, Science, Technology and Innovation, Frimpong Boateng be catch Ghana for excavators no over 500 and ayira. Excavators from the no Bayer Maku ahanum 500 and ayira. And today the NPP is telling us as a man lifting a year indefinite suspension on Ekow Ekusi. Yes, but when him the entire Merantian opino. Yes, you will be a excavator 500 atom. That is the allegation the minister made to the police. CID, police CID, besin nessa me no kasay. Anti me and try and say allegation now a young minister for environment, science, technology no kra na say nya no kra. Police if want me and try and besin say Owura Ekow Ekusi asam na ye to no so no no kra na enya no kra. Police if want me try and besin since 2020 February 3 no track out kokoma police for besi na omuntimi try and say Owura Ekow Ekusi on ho fan wanya agbani bia enti yenyan no onya den no nkwado ba bi because asam na minister no na ne nkrofo keka gu no so nkrampo enya no kra. And now the party is telling us say asam na mugina so a mo de suspending no a police for ntimi nyom hwehwemu wie so be take 10 years na o ma yom hwehwemu wi a mo party no de mo so ma left a ban suspension. What sort of country are we running? What sort of system any? Say, obi di boni a. Enye, ne part of power there, enye, no fine. No boni bia. Obi, so opposition also, on no humba sam na sasa na enye no kra. Ya be twe na bo so afa kwan ya se bia so, okwan bia be fa so bia, I ensure say ya be prosecute to say nipa. So, we need answers. NPP for Monchere and the reason why Ekow Ekusi man left in suspension. Mumra bonte mumra country. You can't just come and tell us yeah left yeah in the suspension. Oh, you say yeah for the son to me contest because time also or a Nanado favorite or a Mampadi favorite time also say Owura Ekow Ekusi was anko jina your friend the same Central Regional NPP position beyond yenyi fi no so no onya kwanya no contest without thinking about your friends and your call so say Owura Ekow Ekusi ya say excavators 500 a one in some. Has he accounted for those 500 excavators? I don't know moma system no basasa one woman ni bie di am de ne ya jirom na ya tankru amu na gidigidi ya twa mabo so gidigidi saa but sabi ya could on top one no de wonu ani bie no de mo tete wo mo hawo mo okwan bia mba fa so mba prosecute wo mo ba prosecute wo na wo mo de Wamu enkrofo na na do favorite anaso omo de wamu ya ban no enkrofo anaso omo aban mu no de wamu de omo ya bone a ye nya omo hwe your destiny must stop ma try madwen ban ma so akwanya na so ba be che wadwen ene wa bi wono ma mo ma yanka 0200854255 about all between our friend na ye ni enkomo now so che wadwen. This is what I know and this is where I'm coming from. And it's a minister no krata e ho na me feedback police for till date. Ekow Ekusi mo de no court. Yes, we read. Moka try and say, oh, mo detain Ekow Ekusi. Ekow Ekusi saying, asam ben aba, Mon try mon clear no mon make country say Ekow Ekusi ya clear no wanya bone Ekow Ekusi anya bone bia eti excavators 500 ni yahu excavators no enie eti Ghana for ye say ye nhwehweye ese say unim na akokoye galamsey nkrofo ye galamsey no wo koye galamsey a wo fidie ni ye be confiscate to the states eba ye catch ye say excavators by 500 and ye CCA Operation Vanguard ne interministerial committee on illegal mining say you know my eden ama CCA and a minister got say a case ahodo amoje yakrampo no case no ekrampo no ayira and the allegation was that Ekow Ekusi and Okon no nto no waton. Good morning Patrick Frost Okasafin. My first caller, good morning Patrick Frost Okasafin.
I can first me La Paz.
La Paz, you too.
Oh, NPP sana mutio. Sana mutio almost banana. Anka NDC na anka almost mo tuna wasu sa ma almost ni kokot. Akwa say o NDC ni party mo tuna akwa sisi almost ni kokot. Yo. Sana mutie. NPP say na mo ye. Ya sure 2024.
All right, medasi. All right, medasi. Mo be maybe 0200854255 also frame na for adventure ebra na yeni enkomo anopai on this issue edu bia we need to run ese kasa enu kwan se kasa bo ahye ese calling crofobia to order ese catching crofobia say mon soro mon kokko meka nche yen ya ne de o man na hye mon sa o man na nyamo de a enti o man na de ebi hu touch ma we have the right to question you. Good morning, Patrick Frost Okasafin.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, sir. Patrick Frost Okasafin.
Mikasafi Ablequanot.
Okay, but didn't change.
Patrick Nancy.
Get you.
Yo. If I try Mikasafi Ablequanot.
Yate, it's you.
Yo, your friend Nancy. Yamisha, when you do my power, ye. And I was the pa, Nipa Binu say. And I yenya Ghana. Yenya Ghana no maka no kre. Amo bie hu senya ewia Ghana kroi eko. Yetiti ha obie ni hono mo ka no kre ewo NPP aban mu. NPP aban mu nkredi bie ni bebia. Se Ekufuado klekle nkofo ani na yehia akukudufo bi te se mo amo be kana maka no kre no ama obia ati ya mi hiraw ene adwuma pa moye ya da masepa ye tie bia nipa nyenu miensa bi ebeti no kura ni ansema wakande ama wo hu bebi Ekufuado ede ye ko me da mase
yes me da say 0200854255 Freya now so for adwenche bra ye ni enkomo high original TV eso adwene pa ene dwumadi no fine ye friend Kyere W'adwene so ye Kyere W'adwene ntu so bra ya Kyere W'adwene so bra na be Kyere W'adwene bi. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Good morning.
Yes, sir. Patrick Frost Okasafin.
Ekow Ekusi because here we.
Get you.
The patrol the Ekow so my own dey yan hwe an kan dey na be sin ye kura o. It is a more you know some more kind of credit you support your data which to can con my you must be able to.
Oui. All right. 0200854255. Freya na yenin komo so for adwenche ebra. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir. Patrick Frost Okasafin.
Me de kwajo me Kasafi Ablekuma.
Yo, yetio.
Pancho me damasni juma pa moye. Na de tiene say bia ye ka edifa NPP ni NDC. Ti CCA se NDC ni na NPP ni wa. Party ben ye beto ama no. E na ma dwene ho a mentia say I can't think far. CCA NPP ni NDC no ani party aka. Omu nyina so.
Oh, so sorry. No call no. I'll drop it. What's me and you now so facha me. Good morning. Hello. Hello, good morning. 0200854255. Frey, now so far, share Ebra. Hello, good morning. Hello. 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 All right, one time and count. But offering 0200854255. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, boss.
Yes, I'm about to your first workers of him.
At your premise, me, Catafree Sprinters.
All right, Stephen, yet you.
Pese, me can't about your paying for now more Tikruma. Obama, you won't trade too much. Yes, sir, I said, I don't know Koyana mean Tiasi. They be a more dada too much. Okasa nyina makuma kura ha me kuma nime koso ese omo dwene ho no omo dwene o ade omo dwene se omo ba power na omo nya sika show omo boto eteti me too much tota me dwene wa me ntiase tota me timi dwene me so ye wo nyansafo okuma na ayi na omo teti e bra bossa happy power me share the way ya mo kasa no me bisa say so ye nyansafo bia obetima aka bia maye bibia no so mo ya krompo no e say efe bo mo fewe so the bia me for obetima gie free sa how we no me ka cho say ni ma e koso kroma so me dwuno am bisa ma say if me say school am akoyi na nyansa ni ma na mini abema me ko school ba nyansa nyankopon dia ma me no udi djuma ma me a mini dia meye Yami sure bebre.
That I said. So, my last caller, then my Jemu the Amapato. Now, what the year pensem brand so. So my last caller, the Ama Alpay may run to get the Amania Breno. Yang the Tanasini is showing where one back city, no major home. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, I'm about to have first of him.
The friend Said, Ewo is 11.
All right, yet you have last caller.
Oh, I pray with church and we now. Share Ibrahim Kasa say the NPP NDC, and we now do Kadaya. Wow, we are seeing a boy, the baby on Papa. But party me no can be a Papa or be okay no probability party. I'm not for sorry because of their 20. Ombeya sa atena so nchen sisi e ka sei party mienu we ba sa ena wan fo ka de bia no e se Ghana e pentakwa but one day ombeya sa magana no omrante ne funo mo ade ombe na nyeyi party be we ba ye ka sei sisi ama ndi so ba sisi a omo sa no be ye kunbibia e koso enti party mienu no obi obeka no kura opese only party no bebre omo bia no kora be sa atina sinchen bia se nyame bo bia se de bia yo me ho yo do di boni e na de mo papa like papa no boni fo no de omo papa no kwan da mo be dia enu enti mi fre sometimes party look up you bia na wo se obi taban ono we bida MPP on papa wo mu e ndi se o papa no wo wo ka ko na Japan video bia o ye se anka to no Abamba, almost 20 ministers. Then I know a general secretary, they were TV3. And Kibia, no sorry, Piano. A castle on your Koran, fee, but a crowd of a capacity, or Antono, or Kati Kusi and Cotonoa, Yanga, Omba, 20 ministers. Almost a music, or one of them say we, or bar, and Yabiandi. The country of our party, no, and both parties in Gay. You who say we never but I be answering near the day, none for company because Bonifona is car to ho. Yeah, quiz is your blue one for sorry, we never. Meanwhile, Mutramunias Cano, Nam Santos view.
All right, Medase, yet me for free for Biabu. Guago was ready, Pato. Bra, good morning, let's say you.
Radini, Dini, or crying or whining.
I ran to him to Mamma half in Pajama and I'm the Matua Hanamo.
But not or Matua Coco for baby. Now, a band there, no pay most of us to judge in the day. But, yes, not 90 case, no, a Drew saying. Hefa. Well,
once young finance court to them crowd. Right? Abrantewe or friend Michael W'adwene. Michael W'adwene. As a more kind on central focus or my excavator had to travel from Obuasi when it was seized by government task force to Accra. I followed it to Accra with all documents to retrieve it, and that was when I heard of Ekow Ekusi as the man in charge of the seized excavators and other equipments. So, I say, Michael W'adwene, I was even willing to pay any amount for it. My friend paid as much as 55,000 Ghana cedis to retrieve his. And Michael W'adwene as a man or say on one case and pick up and no use on the mining sites. Ekow Ekusi a change the number plate now Ekow Ekusi na use. This is an allegation with voice. Audio Michael W'adwene level against Ekow Ekusi. Excavators 500 no say year. Governments minister na be ka kire enyo pato na akọ na abaka ye. I can say Centroni and I bought manager and all can be Centroni.
Me adeba kwa me dream who say me who say me say wa sha say o ye na adeba kwa esi mitrim and he said then na hwemu be no mo ye ya enti omo clear no. You see who say for instance they all can say now the allegations. Ghana has said ya allegia ye ni den. Why na e wo se ohwe e ma ne kosi ehin die na e se fata se wo se ye hwe na ye ye fa na ye peja no de koduru because me I'm just looking at the whole thing and me dwen ho say ana is it because you say better that betimi abodin I say ade we say eyewa but hwehwemu kopie
who kai say Ekow Ekusi ni ye say oba out obekasa ene ba beto odwa say government akata na no say mo nkasa because obo wa ensem bi be piepie
enti no me pese ye be bo ono nko asomwo me pese ye be ka say Ekow Ekusi Ekow Ekusi no oye den Emma hwan and Ekow hin. Exactly. I feel this morning I was feeling it well I don't know Ekow Ekusi nko a oh dem che no senya Ekow Ekusi nko a dey na what say yehunu what should Ghanaians know about this whole thing. So a hinta.
So Patwe mentioning Ekow Ekusi Ekow Ekusi is the man at the center stage.
Yeah, that's true.
Of the issue.
That's true.
The CI, the Criminal Investigative Department of the Police Service.
I want to say you took them on as well.
Yes.
And
government, any ministry, no, any party, no. So now we can then you clear, no.
And to what I think is that individuals now almost say yes, Ekow Ekusi.
Yes.
Almost part they can take him on. Ompa mbetimi asiu no na se bibi wo ho a wo se because wo court there e wo so obonkru
yes
ntini se obi se wafa na excavator wafa na car asesa ne number na so omo court sa nkofo no nyina nya kokodro a omo de asem no be court se court ni efre no na se o kasa ani nkire mu no e bia betimi am ya hu de
but God being so grateful, the Ministry of Environment, Science, Technology and Innovation, headed then by Professor Kyere W'adwene.
Party yes.
And now what Tron Krata Koma CID say na SU. Any individual be now on only an allegation. And Kyere W'adwene was the chairman of the Interministerial Committee on Illegal Mining. So he wrote the letter as a minister and chairman of the Interministerial Committee on Illegal Mining.
But what side letter be a letter no mo so mo dey clear no dey no mo tro.
Pado, airtime.
What kind?
Airtime. Ebi a minim se oma manu detailed one. A detailed one no dey man so ya clear say any. But what we have just ya clear. So and I make say time so see e be call elections. Eti time so eti yema Ekow Ekusi yan clear no na won konko den won konko contesting because you be favorite. Be your man pani favorite. Ebi oye obi pani bi favorite nti man kwan Unim the reason why Dr. Kwabena Frimpong Watson Yapamono. You know, it is because of this excavators won sense and Professor Kwabena Frimpong Watson, yedi unifi ministry honomo as a minister. But you know, it's yet the chairman of the committee, you know, yet by allegation to no social or no crane ba Frimpong Watson ba galamse ni bi wo boase and no those allegations allegation
neba
yes
the obeka ono ankasa so be defend
exactly
so be den nom ni
ade it's a Frimpong Watson ya pam Frimpong Watson ya based on the same allegation there adenti na Ekow Ekusi ye clear no wombreko a CID for nyom hwehwemu wie. Well, that is our take.
Over to Aban. Say Asemba na say wanka ama obi ehunu de ewo mu a. You give people the opportunity to also say the wabontin because they ain't be nyanyame. Ani etimi akọ obi trim ehunu asem ewo mu. Nti the Bible say asem ehunu di dance no. Ehun asem na ho bi ara bo mebo a. Yetwa. Near the aya dance here. Nti no said the asem no asiapie no. Ehun photo a
na dey twa
e no twa wa horo de ama aban nti ne de aban e pese oye ne bia no ono ankasa ni jejereje me na ya me nhyao
me da asbra